Our school encourages students to think outside the box through activities like design thinking workshop, entrepreneurship program, and an innovation lab. Students engage in hands-on projects that simulate real-world challenges, allowing them to apply theoretical knowledge in practical scenarios. VEX Robotics is more than a competition. It is a global platform for teamwork and communication. By bringing together students from different countries and cultures, the event encourages collaboration, cross-cultural exchange, and shared experience. Through this event, we aim to inspire and empower the next generation of leaders in STEM and beyond.
With the advanced design of the ViewSonic all-in-one LED display, the installation was actually far simpler thanks to its plug-and-play functionality and especially the floor stand. The simplicity of the installation process also meant that the students were able to assist with the setup without requiring specialized training or the involvement of a vendor on site during the setup process.
So the live streaming service is very good. It's actually very helpful for the team members and also for the coach and the other advisors for the match, because it shows a lot of angles, especially from the top view of the match from the field.
比较看得清楚，然后荧幕也蛮大的，哪里机器出问题啊，或者哪里成功，我们这样回到我们位置修车，我还是可以比较知道哪里有问题这样。
The ViewSonic all-in-one LED display is a valuable asset, enhancing a variety of school events, such as Christmas performance, sports practice, and the annual academic showcase.
我们平常练习的时候就会录影，就是为了看 flyer 的肢体动作跟底层动作有没有做确实。
Since we're doing it on a small screen, it is oftentimes inconvenient, and we would have to repeat our instructions many times because not everyone can see the screen immediately.
后来我们使用了这个大萤幕之后，我们就可以大家一起同步的看，就是可以一次3组的看各组的走位啊，可以点出各种问题，让我们在有限的时间内可以得到最大的效率。我们在使用的时候，手机一插连接到就可以马上使用到，我觉得非常的方便。
This helps us see mistakes and make adjustments more effectively.